It amuses me.
So are you going to buy one?
I need one for the house.
Are you serious?
No, but it would be hilarious. I'm sure it's super expensive. It is the coolest thing I've ever seen. You know, it's always the pancake and waffle stations are always a mess.
Uh-huh.
And I'm sure you know, like cleaning up after those
Right,
things is
exactly.
always a pit. And this is the first time I've seen one where there's absolutely no mess.
This is a new one we got that has a glass. And I know when we first had it, one little boy, by coincidence, came and says, Mom, I want one of these. No, well, I want one for Christmas.
A pancake factory. I mean, it's a little factory in a box.
Yeah, I'm sure it is very expensive. Oh, you're getting the entire picture.
I got to get the entire process, you see.